ride is here. Let's go.
Okay. Excuse me. Tara, let's go. Ay, sorry.
Need help?
No, good. Thank you.
Sorry. Business deals usually involve mishaps like this, so don't give up.
I know. I'm not even thinking about the collab anymore, Alex. My priority is Tara's safety. She doesn't need any more of this right now.
Okay, well then, I will just make out a reservation for her in Manila.
Thank you.
I have to be honest. This is terrifying.
Huwag kang mag-alala, Tara. Nandito kaming lahat para sa'yo.
Thank you, Noreen.
Give it to me. Show something. This is for you.
Jeju Island?
I hope someday we could go there together. Not for work, but for vacation. Jeju Island is dear to me. It'll be nice to come back with someone special. I mean friend. A special friend? I was talking about you, the friend, right?
I guess. Kamsahamnida. Maraming salamat. You should get inside. Tara might need your help. Thanks again.
Bigoy, napuntahan ko na lahat ng pwedeng pagtanungan pero wala talagang nakakita kay Aling Eva eh.
Ano nang gagawin natin ngayon?
Naipablatter ko na naman yung pagkawala niya. Alam ko mahirap, pero kailangan na natin gawin to. Kailangan natin sabihin kay Noreen na nawawala ang nanay niya.
Hello? Migoy! Nakauwi na ako ng Pilipinas. Bakit? Ano? Si nanay nawawala?